The 2012 to 2018 Toyota RAV4 ZSA42 2WD/ZSA44 came equipped with the 2.0-liter 3ZR-FE petrol engine, a naturally aspirated inline four-cylinder featuring dual VVT-I for balanced performance and fuel efficiency. Producing 140 to 151 horsepower and 143 to 150 pound-feet of torque, it uses a timing chain and was typically paired with a CVT transmission. The 3ZR-FE is known for reliability, but has some common issues. Oil consumption can occur, particularly in earlier versions, while timing chain noise may develop after high mileage. Water pump failure is relatively common, often around 40,000 miles, leading to leaks or squealing. Intake manifold buildup can cause rough idling or fluctuating RPMs, and occasional oil leaks may appear from the chain cover or filter housing. Regular oil changes, coolant checks, and intake cleaning help the 3ZR-FE deliver the smooth, efficient performance Toyota engines are known for.